Good evening, friends. Welcome to DURGASOFT. Myself, Dr. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified at associate level. Now I am providing 40 days of the training. I am given training is at associate level. See, once you registered the course, every day you are getting class recording videos, class material. At the end of the training, then you are getting AWS interview questions and answers. And also, when you are attempting the global certifications, that is foundation level, associate level, then I am providing the AWS dumps. I am providing around 800 pages. On that, how previously they are asking the questions and answers are also I am providing. And at the end of the training, I'm providing each and every topic, screenshot explanation I'm providing. Step-by-step screenshots I'm providing, right? So in yesterday, day one session demo is completed. Day one demo session is completed. Now on day one demo session, we discuss what are the content I have covered in this training program, and also I explain the basics of the cloud computing. The basics of the cloud computing I explained in yesterday's session. What is cloud computing? What are the advantages of the cloud computing? And then what are the different types of clouds are there or the deployment models are there? Cloud deployment models are the types of clouds, both of them are same. The cloud computing is providing the four types of deployment models. One is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud, and then the fourth one is community cloud. Those are the cloud deployment models. And also the cloud computing providing the cloud delivery model. There are three types of cloud delivery models are there: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Fine. Now, this is day two demo session. This is day two demo session. In this demo session, I explore AWS introduction, how to create AWS free tier account, and also I explain how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server. Today's session I explain the Windows server, and tomorrow session I have to explain how to launch and connect the Linux server. I have to explain. Today I explain how to launch and connect the Windows server. Fine, fine. Now, first I have to explore the AWS introduction. To explain the AWS introduction, already I prepared the material. The AWS is nothing but the Amazon Web Services, is a cloud computing service. This is created by Amazon. It is created by the Amazon. Here, it is a collection of remote computing services. It is providing web services are providing. Web services are providing. See, when it is started, the AWS services is in 2006, it is started their services. It is started their services. It will start their services throughout globally, their services can be provided. Sir, how it is providing globally the AWS, their services? That is with their data centers. Their data centers are there throughout globally. Throughout globally. With the help of their data centers, AWS is providing their services globally. See, total throughout globally, how many regions are there is 33 geographic regions are there. 105 availability zones are there throughout globally. Throughout globally. See, I am providing the link. This link is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. See that? I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. You also copy and paste it anywhere browsers. Anywhere browsers. It is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. Just wait. It is providing the AWS global infrastructure. Already I'll send the link Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, just wait. Dharmik as a host. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience, friends. So due to some issues, it is restarted my laptop. Fine, fine, fine. So in today's session, we discuss the AWS introduction, AWS free tier account, how we are creating the AWS free tier account, and also how to launch and connect the Windows server. I have to explain. See, the AWS, it is started in the year 2006. It is started in the year 2006. See that the AWS is providing their services throughout global. How it is providing their services throughout globally is with their data centers, it is providing their services throughout globally, their services can be provided. See, globally, how many regions are there? That is 33 geographic regions are there. 105 availability zones are there. 105 availability zones are there. If you click on this link, I'll send it in the chat box. This is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. I'll send it in the chat box. You also copy and paste this in your browsers. See that this is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. See that how many launched regions are there throughout globally? 33 launched regions are there. How many availability zones are there? 105 availability zones are there. How many launched regions are there? 33 launched regions are there. Each region with multiple availability zones are there. Each region with multiple availability zones are there. See, if you take the Mumbai region, the three availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Like that, total globally, the AWS have 33 launched regions are there. Each region having multiple availability zones. Fine. How many availability zones are there throughout globally? 105 availability zones are there. This is representing the AWS global infrastructure is representing. See, you have to scroll down. Here also it is mentioned. The AWS cloud spans 105 availability zones within 33 geographic regions. Within 33 geographic regions. With announced plans for 21 more availability zones, they are upcoming 21 more availability zones on 7 more AWS regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European countries. They are planning to introduce the regions. Planning to introduce the regions they are introducing. How many availability zones they are planning? 21 availability zones, upcoming availability zones. How many regions are there? 7 regions they are planning in upcoming. See, if you scroll down, this is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. See that these green color circles, which are representing already existed regions are there. Already the existed regions which are showing the green colors. See that Hyderabad is there and the Mumbai is there. They are the existed regions are there. See here, they are nothing but in this global infrastructure, the green color circles which are representing the existed regions. See, here in this global infrastructure, red color also representing. See that Mexico, upcoming region. See that here Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, upcoming region. See here, this is also the upcoming soon, right? So these red color circles which are represented the upcoming regions. See, here at the bottom also it is represented. This green color representing the regions, the existed regions. This red color circle is representing coming soon. Coming soon. Fine, fine. Now, that is already in my class material. I'm providing the link also. That is, if you click on this link, then it is redirecting to AWS Global Infrastructure. Fine. See, if we are creating your AWS free tier account, how many months it is providing the free services? 12 months it is providing the free service. 12 months it is providing the free service. See that. Maximum all the services it is providing the free services. I'll tell you what are the limitations. That is, you need the limitations of the AWS free tier account. After creation of your AWS free tier account, what are the limitations are there? If you click on this link, then it is providing the AWS free tier limitations are providing. I'll providing the link to you. What are the limitations of AWS free tier account? The limitations. See that. We can click on this link, then it is providing the AWS account free tier account limitations. Have to scroll down here. It is providing the free tier account limitations. See that free tier details which are providing. See the compute service, that is Amazon EC2. It is providing how many months it is providing the free service? 12 months it is providing the free service. It is mentioned. And also see that Amazon EC2, it is providing per month 750 hours it is providing the free service. See, EC2 service is providing per month 750 hours it is providing the free service. Similarly, the storage service is there in AWS. It is providing 12 months of the free service. Per month, that is, it is providing 5 GB storage, it is providing the free service. 5 GB storage, it is providing the free service. Database, 12 months, it is providing the free service. That is per month, 750 hours. Amazon RDS, it is providing. Amazon RDS, it is providing. You have to scroll down 5 GB. It's always providing the free service. Next, SageMaker, it's a free trial, it is providing. The 2 months only, the free trial it is providing. Lambda service, it's always providing the free service. It's also called it as a serverless computing. I'll tell you in my training session. And the artificial intelligence, it's always free. Analytics, 12 months it is providing the free service. Per month, 750 hours it is providing the free service. SNS, always it is providing the free service. Always it is providing the free service. Like that, you have to click on here. It is providing the details of the free services. CloudWatch, always it is providing the free service. Mobile, that is 12 months, it is providing the free service. Amazon API Gateway, it is providing 12 months of the free service it is providing. Like that, this link is providing the AWS free tier limitations can be represented. Fine. That is, this link is providing the AWS free tier limitations are provided. Fine. That's about the AWS introduction I am saying. In the AWS introduction, the AWS global infrastructure, how many regions are there throughout globally, how many availability zones are there, what are the free tier limitations. For that, I am providing the link to you also. Fine. Now, in this session, I have to explain how you have to create your AWS free tier account. See, to create your AWS free tier account, you need these 3 things are required. What are the 3 things are required? One is your credit card or debit card. Second one is your mobile ID, your mobile number is required. Third one is your mail ID is required. So, to create your AWS free tier account, these 3 things are required. Credit card or debit card, mail ID, and the mobile number. See, what are the steps we have to follow? Already I have AWS free tier account. That's why I'm not creating AWS free tier account. I have to explain with the help of the screenshot. I have to explain how we have to create your AWS free tier account. See that. First, we have to click on this link. I'll send to you in your chat box. I'll send it to you in your chat box. See that? That is when you are click on this link, when you are click on this link, see that it is asking that, see that, it is asking that you have to enter sign up for AWS, sign up for AWS. You have to enter root user email address and your AWS account name we have to give it. See, while given AWS account name, it must be unique. And then you have to click on verify email address. Verify email address. Whatever the mail ID you are given, to your mail ID, you receive one OTP you are received. You received one OTP you are received. That OTP you have to enter it here. That's here. I have mentioned here. You have to enter the OTP to your whatever you are received to your mail, the OTP. That OTP we have to enter it and then click on verify option. Click on verify option. After that, see, you need to enter the password. For your AWS account, you need to enter password. And then we have to confirm the password. Means again we have to retype the password. See, while given the password, how we have to create, how we have to give the password, See, while given the password length is the minimum 8 characters length is. Password must be at least 8 characters of the length. And it contains the combination of these three things at least. That is, your password contains at least 3 of the following uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and the alphanumeric. For the password length minimum 8 characters. That is the password. To give the password, you have to follow these things. Password length is 8 characters. 8 characters length. Password length is 8 characters length. And it is the combination of your password, combination of these three. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and the alphanumeric characters. See, I have to enter the password and I enter confirming the password. Click on continue option. Click on continue option. After that, the next it is asking, it is enter your contact information. That is, how do you plan to use your AWS account? For business or for personal usage? I am selecting the personal usage. Then you followed filled by you had your name, full name you have to give it. Your mobile number we have to type it. And the country, region, we have to give it. Address we have to type it. City, state, and the postal code. And then put the tick mark. Click on continue option. That is the second step. You have to fill your details. After click on continue option in the second step, then it is asking your card details. It is asking. That is, you need to enter credit card or the debit card number. See, the RuPay card is not accepting. Visa card is accepting. All credit cards are accepted, right? So some bank cards are not accepting. Private bank cards are accepting, right? HDFC Bank is accepting. ICICI cards, some cards are not accepting. Some cards may be accepting, right? The credit card always it is accepting. And we have to enter your card details, card number, expiration month, your card expiration month, and year we have to specify. You enter the card holder name. After turnout the card, you have the CVV number, 3-digit is there, that we have to enter CVV, and then use contact address you have to specify, and you have the PAN card, yes or no. You have the PAN card, then you have to choose yes option, otherwise we have to choose no option, and then click on verify and continue. Whenever you are given your card details, then from your account, the 2 rupees will be deducted. 2 rupees will be deducted. So then you are receive the OTP, whatever you receive the OTP to your mobile number. See, while mobile number is your bank linked mobile number, we have to enter. Then you got the OTP to your mobile number. That OTP you need to enter it and then click on submit option. Click on submit option. After that, then again it is asking confirm your identity. Confirm your identity. You may choose text message or the voice calls. I am selecting the text message. You need to select the voice calls also. We can select the voice calls also. Voice calls also. Fine. I am selecting the text message. You need to enter the mobile number again. Then whatever the security check it is appear, that is in your account, the other security check it is appear. So whatever the security check it is displayed, that's we have to type it and then click on next step. Send SMS option. Then we have to scroll down. Then we have to enter the verification code. Click on continue option. Then after the fourth step is over, then you need to select the plan. You need to select the basic plan, or you are selecting the developer support, or you are selecting the business support. Suppose if you are selecting the AWS free tier, then 12 months of the free service, 12 months of the free service it is providing. If you are selecting the developer support, per month you need to pay $29 per month you need to pay. Suppose if you are selecting the business plan, then you need to pay $100 per month you need to pay it. Right? See, you are for practicing purpose, you have to select the free service, you have to select it. I'm selecting the free tier, I'm selecting. 12 months it is providing the free service. And then click on continue, complete sign up. Click on complete sign up. After that, then you are getting the messages, congratulations. Go to your AWS management console. Go to your AWS management console. And then after that, you need to enter your role. You have to select this arrow mark and we have to click on your roles and your interested area also. You have to select it and then click on submit option. Click on submit option. Then after that, the screen will be visible like that in your AWS account. In your AWS account. Now, see that. I had to open. Already I created my AWS free tier account. Already I created my AWS free tier account. I open my AWS free tier account. I open my AWS account. See that. I had to select AWS management console. I had to click on sign into the console. Sign into the console. See here, you need to enter your whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of creation of your AWS account. That mail ID you need to type it here and click on next option. Then you need to enter your password. Then your AWS account is open. Your AWS account is open. See that this is my AWS account. See here, this is my AWS account. See, those are recently visited services in my AWS account. In my AWS account, those are recently visited services. Fine. See, those are nothing but the availability reasons in my AWS account it is showing. See here, if you click on here, those many availability reasons are supported in my AWS account. It is providing in my AWS account, North Virginia, California region, this region, Mumbai region, Singapore region, Sydney region, and Asia Pacific region, Canada Central, Europe, that is Europe, Frankfurt, Ireland, right? Those many regions are supported in my AWS account. See, you have to scroll down. At the bottom, the upcoming regions are also specified. See, our Hyderabad is also there. It's now under progress is there. That's why it is not showing here in my AWS account. It's there. It's there, right? In upcoming may be showing here in this top also. In this top also. See, you may select any region. All the services will be worked out in your AWS account. Now, here I am selecting nearby my area. I am selecting. I am there in Hyderabad. I am selecting the Mumbai region. I am selecting. You also select always only the single region. Only one reason you have to select it, and whatever I explained, On that, we had to practice on that region. After completion of that, we had to delete it. We had to delete it. Now, fine. Today's session, I have to explain how we had to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server using EC2 service. What is EC2 service? EC2 is nothing but the elastic cloud computing. Elastic cloud computing. Using the elastic cloud computing, you have to launch Linux server. You need to launch Windows, you can launch it. You need to launch Ubuntu server, you can launch it. You need to launch the Red Hat Linux, you can launch the Red Hat Linux servers also. SUSE Linux or the Mac OS, you need to launch and connect it. You can connect it using the EC2 service. EC2 service. For that, we are using the EC2 service. Sir, where EC2 service is there? See, those are recently visited services. In recently visited services, EC2 is there. See here, my arrow mark. See here, this is the EC2 services. This is the EC2 services. We can click on the EC2 service here also, no problem. Or in my AWS account, at the left side, top services option is there. Here we have to click on that. Here you need to select the compute service. Under the compute, we have to select the EC2 is there. Elastic Cloud Computing is there. Have to click on this one. Have to click on this one. Now the EC2 service, EC2 dashboard is open. EC2 dashboard is open. Now to understand very clearly, already in the previous session, the key pairs I am created, the security groups I am created. I have to delete those key pairs and the security groups. Those are the security key pairs are there. I am deleting the previously created security key pairs I am deleting. Now, in previously to explain the classes, that is I am creating the security groups. Those are the security groups I am created. I am deleting those security groups. Select this one, click on delete security group. Here I am typing delete option. Now we have to observe the EC2 dashboard. Just refreshing the browser. See, I am there in Mumbai region. I am there in Mumbai region. See, how many instances are running? How many instances are running? 0. How many instances are there? 0. How many key pairs are there? 0. How many security groups are there? One security group is there. That's nothing but the default security group. How many volumes are there? 0. See that one security group is there. That's nothing but the default security group. That's you cannot delete the default security group. See, that is in Mumbai region. I'll check the EC2 dashboard. There is no instances are running. There is no instances are running. Fine. Now, in this session, I am creating the Windows server I am creating. Windows mission, Windows virtual mission, or the Windows mission, or the mission, all are the same terms. Now, I am launching one instant or the mission or the server, all are the same terminals. Fine. See how to launch the Windows server. How you are launching the instant. See, on EC2 service, here on left side, under the instances option is there. See, what is the first step you need to select it? First, you need to select the region you need to select. That is to launch your Windows server. The first step is we have to select the region. We have to select the region. Which region I am selecting? The Mumbai region I am selecting. Then the second step is you have to select the EC2 service. EC2 service. How we have to select the EC2 service? Here on left side, see that here in your AWS account, on left side, services option is there. Here on left side, services option is there. Under we have to select compute service. Under we have to select the EC2 service. EC2 service. That is, we have to select the EC2 service. Then the third step is we have to launch the instant. We have to launch the instant. How to launch the instant? Here on left side, under the instances option is there. You have to click on this one. Now, you have to click on launch instant option is there. Launch instant option is there. Now, we have to give the instant name. That is, We have to launch the instant, and then we have to give the instant name. Give the instant name. I am given the instant name is the Windows server I am given. I am given the instant name is the Windows server I am given. Copy this name, the instant name, and here I am typing this is the instant name I am given. This is the instant name I am given. Fine. I have to scroll down. Now, in this session, you are launching the Windows server. In this session, you are launching the Windows server. That's why which operating system you need to select it. That is Windows operating system. You need to select it. That is nothing but this one. Operating system image is nothing but the Amazon mission image. Amazon mission image. What is EMI? Here it is. See that. Here we have to see that. EMI is a template that contains software configurations, which includes operating system, application server, and the applications. That is, the next step after given the instant name, you have to select the operating system image. That is nothing but the Amazon mission image you have to select it. See, you are launching in this session the Windows server you are launching. That's why you need to select. Fine, fine. Have to scroll down. Then we have to click on this arrow mark. See, here some of them are mentioned free-tier eligible one, EMI, free-tier eligible one. See, some of them are not mentioned anyone, not mentioned anything is nothing but they are the paid version. See, you are for practicing purpose, so we have to choose the free-tier one only. That is, here I am selecting any free-tier eligibility one we have to select it. Any free-tier eligibility one we have to select it. Here I am selecting this is the free-tier eligible one I am selecting. This is the free-tier EMI I am selecting. Fine, fine. Then it is showing the EMI ID. Amazon mission image ID it is showing. Fine, fine. There the second step is you have to select the operating system image. The next step is we have to select the operating system image. That is nothing but the EMI image. EMI stands for the Amazon mission image. Amazon mission image. Mission image. Here I am selecting which operating system I am selecting. Windows operating system I am selecting. Fine. Then the next step. See that. See that. See, in any server, the three things are required. The three things are nothing but one is CPU, second one is your memory, your server memory, and then the third one is hard disk. Third one is hard disk. These three things are required in any server. It may be the Linux server, or it may be the Windows server, or it may be Mac operating system. The three things are required, that is CPU, memory, and the hard disk. These three things are required. See, here, after selecting the operating system image, then you need to select the next step is you have to select the instant type. You have to select the instant type. Instant type. See, in the instant type, it is providing, what it is providing is, it is providing the CPUs and the memory. That's why you need to select the instant type. See, you have to click on this link. Have to click on this link. See, friends, I'm there in Mumbai. I'm there in Mumbai region. See, in Mumbai region, how many instant types are providing? That is 538 instant types are providing. So as per your business needs, you have to select the instant type. See, 538 instant types are there in Mumbai region. As per your business needs, we have to select the instant type. Suppose if we are using T2.extra large, it is providing how many CPUs? 4 CPUs are providing. How much memory it is providing? 16 GB memory it is providing. What is the network performance? Moderate it is providing. See, similarly, if I am selecting as per my business needs, I'm selecting the instant type is T3.2 extra large. It is providing 8 CPUs, 32 GB memory it is providing, up to 5 gigabyte the network performance it is providing. So as per your business needs, you need to select the instant type. See, in Mumbai region, there are 538 instant types are there. So you can select as per your requirement, you have to select the instant type. See, you are for practicing purpose. That's why you need to select the free service. The T2.micro, it is providing the free service. It is providing 1 year of the free service. It is providing. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. It is providing. It is the free service. 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. It is providing. Right? That's why I'm selecting the instant type is T2.micro. I am selecting. See, in the AWS free tier limitation also, that point we have to observe that. In compute service, 750 hours per month, it is providing the free service. The instant types T2.micro or T3.micro. That is, if T2.micro it is not available, T3.micro it is providing the free service. That depends on the reason it is providing the free service. See, the T2.micro it is there in Mumbai region. It is providing the free service. It gives 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. I am selected, click on select the instant type. See that here also it is mentioned. T2.micro, it provides 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. Fine. You have to scroll down. Now, see, that's I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. I am selecting. The T2.micro, how many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU it is providing. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. 1 GB memory it is providing. Then the next step is you need to create the key pair. You have to create the key pair. You need to create the key pair. See, in any server, you need to connect this one, the key pair you need to create. For that, click on create new key pair option is there. If already you are created the key pairs, then we have to click on this arrow mark, the selected key pair you need to select it. Or otherwise, if you want to create the new key pair, we can click on create new key pair option. You have to give the key pair name, and given the key pair name is Windows Server key and one. Copy this key pair name, and then we have to paste it in the notepad. This is the key pair name and one. Fine. Next, the key pair type RSA we have to select it. Private key file format, PEM file format only we have to select it. Click on create key pair. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option. See that in my downloads, the key pair is downloaded. See, what is the name I am given? Windows Server key I am given. What is the file format? PEM file format. Fine. Fine. Next, I have to scroll down. Then the next step is network settings. Then the next step is network settings. See, in network settings, you have to click on the edit option. You have to click on the edit option. See here, click on edit option. Here, whatever the default VPC is there, that default VPC as it is, we have to choose it. VPC stands for the virtual private cloud. So in upcoming session, you have to create your own VPC also. Under your own VPC, you are launching your Linux server, you launch your Windows server also. Right now, we have to select the default VPC. See, subnet preference I am not given. The default as is I am providing, no preference. See, in Mumbai region, there are 3 availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1, any preference. Suppose if I am given the preference is AP South 1A, that is my instant will be launched in AP South 1A. Suppose if I am selecting AP South 1B, then my instant will be launched in AP South 1B. See, I am not given any preference means my instant can be launched in any one of the availability zone. That's I am not given any preference. The default as is I am providing, no preference. Auto assign public IP, that is enable I am given. Fine. Next, the firewall. The firewall, it is nothing but the security group. A security group is a set of firewall rules. What it provides the firewall rules is it controls the traffic for your instant. For your instant, it is controlling the traffic for your instant. Add rules to allow specific traffic to reach your instant. See, I am creating for that security group I am creating. This the name is there. For our understanding purpose, I am given the security group name is that is Windows Server ST I am given. Copy this security group name and then we have to paste it in the description. And also we have to paste it in the notepad. That is here I am given the security group name is this is the security group name I am given. See, you have to see that. You are launched the Windows mission. The inbound security group rule, it is providing type is RDP. Port range is 3389. It is provided. See, you have to click on the source type. 3 it is providing. My IP, it is showing my laptop IP address. If I am click on custom, then I need to enter the IP address. Then if I'm selecting anywhere, if you know my AWS credentials, you know the Windows Server PEM file, you can connect it in anywhere. You have to open my AWS account and we have to launch connected. I'm selecting the source type is anywhere I'm selecting. See, if you are launching the Windows Server, tomorrow also I'm asking the same question. You are launching the Windows Server, type it is providing the RDP, the port number is 3389, it is provided. Fine. Then the next step is you are launching the Windows Server, default it is providing the storage is 30 GB it is provided. See, how much storage it is providing? How much storage it is providing? Default, it is providing 30 GB storage it is providing. How much hard disk capacity? 30 GB. 30 GB. Fine. Fine. Next, see here. I'm not adding any additional volume of disk right now. In upcoming sessions, I am adding the additional volume of disk. Fine. I'm not adding any advanced details right now. Fine. See, here on right side, it is showing the summary of the instance. How many instances you are launching? What is the AMI ID? What is the instant type you are selecting? It is providing the summary details. See, if you scroll down, it is providing this one also, free tier. In your first year includes 750 hours of T2.micro or T3.micro. Then T3.micro, it's providing the free service. It's providing the free service. The instance usage on free tier, instance usage on free tier, AMIs per month, 750 hours of public IPv4 address usage per month it is provided. 30 GB storage it is provided. 30 GB storage it is provided. It is showing the free tier limitations. Free tier limitations. And then I can click on launch instant. Then the instant is launched in the Mumbai region. Instance is launched in the Mumbai region. See that what message you are got it successful. You have to click on the instances option. See that in earlier there is no instances are there. Now one instance is launched. That is nothing but the Windows server. But the name I am given while launching the emission, that's the Windows server I am given. This is the instant ID of the Windows mission. You have to scroll down. It is providing the details. This is the instant state. But the instant state right now running it is showing. Just now in before 1 or 2 seconds pending it is showing. Now while launching the instant, what is the instant type I am selecting? T2.micro. It is providing how many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB. Scroll down. Alarms I am not given for this Windows mission. And the availability zone, this I am given in the network settings. Subnet preference I am not given any preference. See, in Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. See, I am not given any preference. My instant will be launched in AP South 1A. It may be launched in AP South 1B also. This is my Windows mission public IPv4 DNS. This is the public IPv4. I am not using any elastic IP address, IPv6 I am not using, monitoring tools I am not using. See, while launching the mission, I am creating the security group name is, this is the security group name I am given. This is the key pair name I am given, Windows Server key I am given. This is the launch date and time it is showing. That is, if you move this scroll bar, it is showing the details. Fine. You have to select this instant. At the bottom also it is showing the details. Instant ID, public IPv4, private IP DNS, all the details which are showing at the bottom also. Fine, fine. Now I am launching the instant. I am launching the Windows mission. Now I need to connect it. I need to connect it. See, to connect the Windows mission, you need the password. You need the password. So what is the last step here? Here you can launch the instance. You can launch the instant. You can launch the instant. Fine. Now you need to connect the Windows mission. For that you need that password you got it. Password you need it. See, you have to select the instant. Here at the top connect option is there. Click on this one. See that session manager tab is there. RDP client is there. EC2 serial console option is there. Have to select the RDP client. See, this is the instant ID. See, you are using Linux operating system, you can download the remote desktop file. If we are using Mac operating system in your laptop, we can download the remote desktop connection. You are using the Windows operating system, no need to download the remote desktop file. If you are using the Windows operating system in your laptop, the remote desktop connection option is there. See here, I'm using the Windows operating system. That's why the remote desktop connection is there. So no need to download remote desktop file if we are using the Windows operating system in your laptop. Fine. Here, I have to note down the public DNS. I copy this public DNS of this Windows machine. I paste it here in the notepad. Fine. Next, I have to copy the username. The username is administrator and paste it here in the notepad. Fine. Next, I need to connect this Windows machine password I need it. Click on get password. Here, while launching the Linux machine, what is the file format? Keep it. I am selecting the PEM file format. I am selecting. That is, we have to upload it here. Click on upload private key file. Where your PEM file is there in my downloads. What is the PEM file name? Windows Server key. Click on open. Scroll down. Here, decrypt password option is there. Click on that. Then you are getting the password. Copy this password and then we have to paste it in your notepad. This is the public IPv4 DNS of your Windows machine. This is the username. This is the password. Now you can connect your Windows machine. You can connect your Windows server. How can you connect your Windows server? That is, we have to use it. You are using the Windows operating system in your laptop. We have to search it remote desktop connection. I have to open this one. If you are not using the Windows operating system, we can download remote desktop file. From that onwards also, we can connect your Windows machine. Here, you need to paste it, the computer or the Windows server. See, what is the public IPv4 of the Windows server? This is the instance. In my instance, this is the public IPv4. I copy this public IPv4. This is my instance, the public IP address. Public IP address. This is the public IP address. And also I have to note down the private IP address. Private IP address. This is my instance, the private IP address. I copy this, I paste it here. See, here in the remote desktop connection, you need to type it the public IP address or you have to type it the public DNS of the Windows machine. I copy the public DNS of the Windows machine. Here I am pasting the computer or the public IP DNS, right? So, and then click on connect option. Click on connect option. It is asking the username. What is the username? That is the administrator. Administrator. How to type the username is administrator and you need to enter the password. See, while entering the password, even if single character is missing, then notepad. Click on OK. Click on yes. See, your Windows machine is connected from Mumbai Recent Data Center. From Mumbai Recent Data Center. Wait for few minutes. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It is connected from Mumbai Recent Data Center. Windows server is connected. It's taking some time, 1 or 2 minutes time it is taking. It's connected from Mumbai Recent Data Center. See, all the steps I have mentioned in my class material. Once you registered the course, then I am providing the material to you with your drive link. The drive link, I am providing the material. See, if you have any doubt regarding the course fee and the duration and the course content, you can contact this number. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. Those are the contact numbers are there. You can contact it. Fine. See, I have mentioned in my class material all the steps I have mentioned. See here. See here. Oh, this is a Linux server. It is mentioned. Fine. Wait. Wait. 8 p.m. Windows server is there. See here. That is what is EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Computing. Here, using this, we can launch the Linux server, Red Hat Linux, Ubuntu, Windows server, like that the servers you can launch it. All the steps I have mentioned here. See that you can select the region. I'm selecting the Mumbai region. I have to select the EC2 service and then click on the launch instances I entered the instant name is system image. That's nothing but the AMI that I am selecting. The Windows I am selecting. Pre-tier I am selecting. And we have to select the instant type. All the steps I have mentioned in my class material. Once you registered the codes, then you got the class material and the class recording videos. Fine. Now see that. Now see that I am connecting the Windows server from Mumbai Region Data Center. Mumbai Region Data Center. See that is at the top. It is showing EC2 hyphen 13 dash 234 hyphen 120 hyphen 108 dot AP South 1 dot compute dot Amazon AWS.com means I am connecting the Windows server from the AWS Mumbai Region Data Center. See, here on right side, it is also providing the host name, instant ID, private IP address, public IP address, instant type. While launching the mission, the T2.micro I am selecting. T2.micro, it is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, it is providing. See, in the AWS portal also, my instant will be launched in AP South 1 year. That is, it is providing. See, while launching the instant, T2.micro I am selecting. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, it is providing. See here, it is providing 1 GB memory. Network is low to moderate. See that. While launching the Windows mission, what is the storage it is providing? Default storage is 30 GB. See that I am click on File Explorer. File Explorer. Click on this one. Because I am launching the low configuration servers. T2.micro, I am chosen the instance. That's why this is the slope. I have to click on this PC. Have you observed 30 GB storage? 30 GB storage. This is the root volume. That's why the Windows operating system is there along with some free space it is there. This is the root volume. Default it is providing the 30 GB storage it is providing. Those are the steps we have to follow how to launch and connect the Windows server. See, after completion of your Windows mission, then you have to terminate the instance. How we have to terminate? Before the termination, I am showing that you have to select the instance, go for the instance state, stop instant option is there, terminate instance option is there. If you are selecting stop instant, that is nothing but like shutdowning your laptop. See that instant state is stopping. Now again, see, whenever I am stopping the instant, automatically the connection will be closed. Now you will need after 1 hour or the tomorrow or after 1 week, then you can start the survey. Then you have to open your AWS account, have to select the instant, go for the instant state, start instant is enabled. See that I'm click on start instant because I'm continuously doing that work. That's why it is showing the red mark it is showing. Just wait for 1 or 2 seconds and then we'll start the instant. Then it is start the Windows server. No problem at all. See, wait. All the steps I have mentioned in my class material. See that all the steps I have mentioned in my class material. See, now I'll try. Select the instant. Go for the instant state. Start instant option is there. Start instance, I am click on. See that successfully initiated starting. Now what is the instant state? Pending. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Then the instant state is running. Then you can connect your Windows mission using the remote desktop connection. Fine. See, after completion of your practice, then we have to terminate it. In the next day, you need to practice it. Then you have to follow the steps. Then only your practice is perfect. How to terminate the instant? That is, select the instant, go for the instant state, terminate instant option is there, then click on terminate instant. Your instant will be terminated. Fine. First it is shutdowning and then terminated from the Mumbai region data center. While leaving the class, then while leaving the practice, you have to check the EC2 dashboard. See, how many instances are running? 0. Just now I am terminating. That's why 0 it is showing. How many instances are there? 1 instance is there, that is in shutdowning. Wait for half an hour to 1 hour. No need to wait. After half an hour or 1 hour, then the instant it is not showing 1. That instant will be permanently deleted. At the back end, it will be deleted. But in front end, it is not deleted. It will be terminated after half an hour to 1 hour. No problem at all. In this session, I am creating the key page security group I am created. See, the key page and the security group AWS will not be charged. However, you need to practice how to delete the key page, how to delete the security group. That is, we have to open the key page, have to select the key page, go for action. Here, delete option is there. Here, we have to type it delete. then the key pair is deleted. You need to delete the security group. That is, select the security group. You have to select your created security group, go for action. Here, delete security group option is there. Click on delete option. Then the security group is deleted. Right? That's about today's session. In this today's session, I explain how to launch and connect the Windows server using EC2 service. I have to explain. Yes, Rizwan is asking the question. I'm the Java developer. Does this course is helpful for me? That's asking. Yes, it's perfectly helpful. When you are joining the industry, they are using always the cloud environment. Nowadays, they are not ready to purchasing anything. Everything, all the services are in paper usage model. That's why you need to upgrade the cloud technology. Cloud knowledge, you need to upgrade it. The AWS is the number one cloud platform. AWS is number one cloud platform. See, after completion of this course, then you may apply the jobs happily. The cloud apply the jobs happily. That is developer jobs you need to apply it. Then you are getting better and more salary you are getting. Clear? Clear? Because you have the coding skills is there. Then you can apply the developer jobs, cloud developer jobs. Fine. Anyone have any questions regarding today's session? Anyone have any questions regarding today's session? Yashwant? Yashwant? Any question? Amar? Amar? Any questions? Rizwan? Okay. Okay. If no questions, then I'll end the session. Tomorrow is the last demo session. Tomorrow is the link. Those who are paid students only, they are providing the link. Okay. Once you registered the course, then every day they are uploaded. DurgaSoft is uploaded the videos. In my side, I'm uploading the class material every day. Right? At the end of the training, yes, yesterday is also the last demo session. At the end of the training, I am providing the AWS dumps I am providing. Each and every topic screenshot explanation I am providing. AWS interview questions and answers I am providing at the end of the day. But every day you got the class material and the recording videos you got it. Okay. If no questions, then I'll end the session. Yes. All of them send the chat box. No. Right. Fine. Then I can end the session. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet the same time. Tomorrow is the last demo session. Thank you.